Hey, Joey with another 30-second sum it up video. We've got Joel from TNT Builders in it again, and we're going to talk about why it's important to use a professional when building your deck or patio. Joel, you ready?
Ready.
Okay, cool, let's do this. All right, Joel, so tell us a little bit about why it's important to hire a professional to build our deck or patio. You've got 30 seconds, go.
So a professional is going to be licensed, bonded, and insured. And to check to see if you're hiring someone with those qualifications, you need to check if they got a CCP number. Anyone who's getting hired to do construction needs to register with the CCP. That stands for Construction Contractors Board. And that's going to show you, are they licensed? Are they bonded? Are they insured? How long have they been in business? Do they have any legal action against them or complaints? You can hire someone who's not a professional, but they may not have everything coded up to code, inspected, or permitted, and that can cause you a lot of pain and heartache later on down the road.
Yeah, especially if you're trying to resell.
Yeah, if you're trying to resell them and you have a project that's not permitted, you then have to tear it down or try to get it re-permitted down the road, and that can be a big hassle.
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about, you have your own version kind of the Sum It Up videos, but it's in blog form. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so if you go on our website, it's tntbuildersinc.com. We just have a little blog that talks about how to deck maintenance, deck safety, how to keep your deck from collapsing. You can go on there and just some free tips that you can use to help maintain and how to keep your outdoor living areas safe. If you need any help or questions, just give us a call.
If you have any questions about decks, patios, or fire and water, reach out to us and we can sum it up.